Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to send Google Drive attachments in Gmail. To get started, open your Gmail account, click on Compose. Now in the email window, click on Insert Files using Drive. After that, in your Drive window, select the element to attach and click Insert. You can see that the selected item is already attached to the email to be sent. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.